Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Pound Yen GBP JPY for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and the last traded price is 154.03. As we all know, during the Friday last trading session, almost all the JPY pairs witnessed heavy selling. There was heavy selling pressure on all the JPY pairs, and the reason is this Japanese yen currency index. This is the daily chart of JPY, and you can see that there was a bullish candle. Okay, market was up and JPY was very strong. And whenever JPY is strong or the strongest currency of the day, you will always see heavy selling on all the JPY pairs like USD JPY, GBP JPY, or JPY. Okay. So keeping our eye on JXY is also very important if you trade or if you are trading or if you trade on the JPY pairs. Most of us are not aware of the JXY index, but yes, it is also very important index, just like the DXY US dollar, because we love to trade on JPY pairs. Right now, you can see that though JPY was very bullish yesterday, but it is almost approaching the resistance zone here. Okay, on Monday there may be some buying again. There may be some buying, but keep in mind by next week there will be or there may be some selling on JPY because JPY will be at the resistance zone here. Once it will be on the resistance zone, definitely there will be some selling pressure from above. There was some buying from below. There will be a battle between the buyers and the sellers. So I think that JPY pairs may be under some selling pressure, but there will be some correction, and at least there is a possibility of some correction because it is about to reach the resistance zone JXY. Okay, keep your eyes on it. And if you look at the Forex chart of GBP JPY, then to be honest, in this type of market, the best trading opportunity is always to take sell position because this is also known as sell on rise market. Okay, this is also known as sell on rise market. It means that if market goes up a little, okay, then just wait for the perfect opportunity to go down. So once you see that the retracement is over, market is unable to go up, market is struggling to go up, you will get the confirmation that okay, retracement is over, market is about to go down again, and you can take a sell position. That can be one trading opportunity, and to be honest, in a selling market or sellers market, that is the best selling not trading opportunity for the traders. Okay, that means that sell on rise. Whenever market will be going up and the retracement will be over almost, you will see market struggling, you can take a sell position. That is our first trading opportunity. And the second trading opportunity that I see on the chart of GBP JPY is 153.35 level. Why this level? Because this is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. Yes, 50% retracement level. And in forex market, from my personal experience, I have seen that 50% retracement has got some importance. Okay, so there is a good possibility of market bouncing from the 50% retracement level of 153.35. And as I just showed you that JXY Japanese yen index is also at the resistance. So just imagine a scenario. Okay, GBP JPY at the support, and JXY at the resistance. So if JXY reverses, then obviously we will see some good bounce on GBP JPY. After all, it is at the resistance, and sellers will push the JPY down, JXY down, and if it goes down, then yes, there will be some buying and it will bounce from the Fibonacci 50% retracement level, that is 153.35. So I will only suggest you two trading opportunities right now. First trading opportunity is obviously if it goes up and after retracement goes down, yes, you can take a sell position. And on the other hand, if JXY reverses from the resistance and GBP JPY pound yen bounces from the support zone, we can take a buy position as well. And if something bad happens in the market, I'll be coming on Monday as well, and I'll tell you what should be your next strategy. Till then, let's keep our eyes on these two trading opportunities. Clear? So, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, my dear friends, because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So, do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. This is the proper discipline. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday. Good luck.